Remember when you were in school? There was nothing more nerve-wracking than watching the clock and impatiently waiting for the bell. But once it rang, the pure joy and excitement that ensued was utterly priceless. That is, until you began working. Now, the agony of waiting for the clock is equally nerve-wracking. But oddly enough, once go time arrives, you're just as excited as you were in school. But now, you're an adult, and you finally have money to spend. And what better place to spend that money than Bluegrass Auction Service in Keokuk?
Welcome to Keokuk's best-kept secret, Bluegrass Auction Service, where the first and third Wednesday night is your night. Please give a big round of applause for your auctioneer, Ernie Paulson!
Sell that bell right here, hey, you tell me your love boat. I got 25 right here, 25 now.
Remember, whomever has the most money in their pockets can own it tonight.
I'm sorry, folks, you got us so tight. 200 now, 250 here, $300. Hey, 375, now 400. I got you right there, 400. You're out, sir. 405, 400 in the 5, hey, 400 in the 5. Sold it right there for $100.
And remember, guys and gals, look, but don't touch your auctioneer.
Come on down to Bluegrass Auction Service right here in Keokuk. Tell them Ernie sent you.
Bluegrass Auction Service with auctions the first and third Wednesday of each month, starting at 5:30 p.m. Located at 3917 Main Street. Visit them at bluegrassauctionservice.com, on Facebook, or call 319-795-1872. Bluegrass Auction Service, Keokuk's best kept secret.